Acoustic Academy. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Shot in the Dark by John Mayer. So let's get into the intro. It begins on the D major, so that's barred on the 5th fret, and it's just like our A major down there, but all the way up to the 7th fret with the other 3 fingers. So that's 4th, 3rd and 2nd string. So D major, 2, 3, 4. So he's holding the D major for 4.5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he'll play the E minor, so that's just up 2 frets. So that's D major, 2, 3, 4, up 2 frets to the E minor. And this, both times he's muting the 6th string here, so he's playing the 5th to the 1st string as he strums, muting the 6th string with his index finger. D major, E minor, then back to the D major. So I'll play that now. Then he'll move back up to the E minor, and that's on the beat. And this time, he's going to move on to a B minor. Now, rather than playing the B minor barred on the 7th fret here, he's going to play the 6th string with his thumb, and then he's going to play the 4th string on the 9th fret with his ring finger, and then the other 2 strings on the 7th fret, so that's 3rd and 2nd string there. So he's muting the 5th string with his thumb and muting the 1st string with the rest of his fingers. So that's our B minor. Going from E minor, so that's, so the rhythm there is going to play the E minor for 3 quavers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's moving down from the B minor to the A major. So I'll count that out again. The A major is on the 5th fret, barred by the way, except he's playing with his thumb again on the 6th string there. So 5th fret of the 6th string, 7th fret of the 4th string, the 3rd string is 6th fret, and then 5th fret of the 2nd string, muted 1st and 5th string. So that's our A major. So from E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to move on from our A major down to our G major. And it's just moving everything down 2 frets there. So that's thumb still on the 6th string, and then 5th fret of the 4th string with our ring finger, 4th fret of the 3rd string with our middle finger, and 3rd fret of the 2nd string with our index finger. So that's muting the 1st and 5th string again. So our chords are E minor, B minor, A major. So the rhythm there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's counting out our quavers. 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then we'll repeat that exact same thing a second time for the intro. So going straight back to our D major, and then continuing on. So playing that twice, then we get into our verse 1. Verse 1 is played with exactly the same chords, but this time we're going to strum it. So our strumming pattern there is down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So D major, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Then we'll go into the 2nd bar, and then we'll start on the E minor. Down, up, down, B minor. So that's again. Now that's going to be important for most of the song, so all of the verses there will follow a similar pattern. Then we get into our chorus. Our chorus changes the chords there, so we're going to start on the G major. So our strumming pattern for this one is going to be down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So that's going to be on the G major. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Then onto our A major. And then on the last up there, so down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So on our last up there, we're going to move to the B minor. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So we'll play that one through 3 times. Then straight back down to our G major. Then we'll play the next part 2 times, and instead of going to our B minor at the end, we're going to go down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Now that's on our D major, and this time, rather than barring it, to get quickly from our A major to our D major, we're actually going to curl our thumb over further, holding onto the 5th string there on the 5th fret. And it's not easy to do, but we're trying to avoid playing the 6th string, and we're going to play our D major. So, from G major, so we'll play that one through twice. That's just as he's singing Just Another Shot in the Dark. So our interlude is going to be played exactly the same as the verse was, so that's starting on our D major. And that's going down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down. So we'll play our interlude through once, and then we'll get on to verse 2. And now verse 2 is played exactly the same as verse 1 is, and it's played through twice. So that's the one starting on our D major, then onto the E minor, D major, E minor, B minor, A major, G major. So verse 2 play through twice, and then we get onto chorus 2. Chorus 2 will be identical to chorus 1, so that's starting on the G major, up to A major, then to B minor. So we'll play that one through 3 times. And then we'll move on to the next one, which is played through 2 times to end the chorus as he's singing Just Another Shot in the Dark. So that's from the G major. And then A major onto the D major. So that's our chorus 2. So 3 times up to B minor and then 2 times up to D major. And then we get into our bridge. So our bridge is played with different chords again, so we're going to start in our D major, and the strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So starting on our D major, then onto our G major, then onto B minor, then A major. So we'll play that one through 2 times. So from our D major to our G major to our B minor to our A major. Play it through twice, and then we're just going to hold 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll hold the G major at the end for 2 bars, so that's 8 beats. So from the G major chord held, we get onto the final chorus, which stays on the G major. We're going to go down, up, so that's G major to A major, down, up, down, down, and then onto B minor, up. So down, up, down, down, up. So that one there is repeated 3 times altogether. So G major to A major to B minor. So 2 more times after that, and then we get onto the final outro. So our final outro begins on the G major, and we're going to go down, up, down, up, down, down, and then up on the D major. And we'll repeat that one through 4 times. So in the final outro, That G major to A major to D major is played through 16 times altogether. So that's 4 lots of 4 bars. And then when he plays the last one, it's fading out in the video, but the best way to finish this might be, and just to end on that last D major up strum. So that was Shot in the Dark by John Mayer from his new album Sob Rock. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching today. I really appreciate the support, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to teach next. Thanks guys.